How are you guys doing? How's your I don't know, near-death experiences since we talked last?
Just every time I sneeze.
Tell us about it.
Yeah, what happens? How does that happen?
I sneeze, it's booming, it's loud, and my whole body shakes. Then afterward, like my chest and my arms feel really weak and achy for like a few minutes.
That is weird.
If you hold in sneezes, you can rupture from the inside out.
Do you do anything that makes it like this? Because I can't imagine why it hurts so much.
I think I throw my head, my neck, and my back forward a little bit, and I think that quick jerking motion is just so intense. Like, you know how like a chicken bobbles its head when it walks? If you like try to imitate that, I think that's why it aches. I think it's just such an intense jerking motion.
I want to see a video of someone listening this trying to recreate what Wade just described, because the motions